Hi, all you lovely people. Welcome to Food, Fashion and Fun with Sonal. Are you bored of wearing the same dress over and over again? Well, I'm here to show you how you can save heaps of money by not spending fortune over new dresses every single time for a new occasion. I'm going to show you how you can turn that dress into a number of totally new outfits by turning it into a ta-da! Skirt. Also, I'm going to show you how to style them according to the events. And could it get any better if I told you that no sewing or no stitching involved at all? If you like such thrifty fashion and styling tips, hit that subscribe button now. Alrighty then, shall we get on to the point? So, I'm going to start with this beautiful pink floral casual sundress which I have worn plenty of times. The first look I'm going to create with this dress is a casual day out look. I styled this casual look with a white off-shoulder crop top, minimal jewelry, my favorite white kitten heels, and a black sling bag. And here I am, ready for some classy casual action. And here I am stepping up my styling game in my look number 2 with the same dress. I created this party look by simply dressing up the same pink floral dress. All I did was to wear a black crop top, a beautiful choker necklace, a pair of dangle earrings, and a basic messy low bun. The highlights of this look are my hot pink pointy pumps and my hot pink messenger clutch. So I opted to go easy on the rest of the things. Well, don't I look like I'm all set to party? You see how the same dress became a whole different outfit for a different event. Okay, then the next transformation I'm doing is with this green floral dress. And yes, you are right. I have a fetish for floral dresses. So this look again is a semi-casual look. You can always dress it up or down. I have paired the dress aka skirt with an off-white crop top, an elegant pair of earrings, my beige block heels, and my favorite beige wooden clutch. But a more important question here is, how did I transform the dress into a skirt, right? So, here's the secret. All you need to do to turn that dress into a skirt is to tuck in the top part of the dress carefully and wear your crop top. You just need to keep in mind that the dress you choose is not full-sleeved ruffled or too bulgy from the top, because the whole part is going to be tucked in, and if it's too bulgy, then it'd look a bit weird. You know what I'm saying, right? And if your dress has ribbons, just like mine, you can wrap it around your waist to secure your skirt in place. And ta-da! Here's your skirt ready. Also, do check out my another video of such a transformation, link in the description box below. And yeah, it's in another floral dress. I hope you liked this video, and please let me know in the comments below which look is your favorite. And yes, keep watching this space because I'm coming up with some interesting videos like this. So do like and share this video, and make sure you follow me on all my social media handles. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care you guys. So make sure you follow me on my all the social media handles. Thank you so very much for watching this video, and please like and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Ciao.